Good morning, students. Today we will study about shadow and its characteristics. If you throw light on a transparent object and observe the reason behind it, you will find no area of darkness. In case of a translucent object, you will see a region of partial darkness because it absorbs some part of light while allowing the rest of the light to pass through it. However, in case of an opaque object, you will find an area of complete darkness behind the object. This region of darkness behind the object where no light is able to reach is known as the shadow of the object. Do you observe your shadow in a dark room or at night when there is no light? No, you can't observe your shadow in a dark room or at night. Do you observe a shadow when there is just a source of light and nothing else in a room? No. It seems we need a source of light, an opaque object to see a shadow. Is there anything else required? For this, you have to perform an activity. For this, you have to hold the torch close to the ground and shine it upwards so that its light falls on your friend's face. Now, you have one source of light and an opaque object. If there were no trees, building, or any other object behind your friend, would you see the shadow of your friend's head? No. This doesn't mean that there is no shadow. Now, if you ask another friend to hold the cardboard behind your friend, you can see shadow on the cardboard. Thus, we can say that shadow can be seen only on a screen, the ground, walls of room, a building, or other such surfaces act as a screen for the shadows. Next, we will see characteristics of a shadow. It is always black, no matter what the color of the object is. This happens because the shadow is formed in the absence of light rays. It gives an idea about the shape of an object. It gives no detail of the object. The shadow of an object is erect, that is, same side up as the object. The shadow can be smaller than object, equal or bigger than object. But sometimes shadow can also mislead us about the shape of the object. You can see here are a few shadows that we can create with our hands and make believe that they are shadows of different animals. Okay. Thank you, children.